Audio plays a crucial role in video production, enhancing visual storytelling and emotional impact in several ways. Whether it's film, television, online content, or any other form of video, audio is an essential element that can make or break viewers' experience. Let's see in context. Here is how you can use audio for your video production. Emotional engagement. Audio can invoke powerful emotions and moods. Background music, sound effects, and even quality of voices in a narrative can influence how viewers connect with the story and the characters. The right music or sound effects can intensify suspense, romance, excitement, or any other desired emotional response.
You got one part of that wrong. This is not meth.
Narrative clarity. Clear and well-recorded audio ensures that the dialogue, narration, and voiceovers are easily understood. Poor audio quality, on the other hand, can distract viewers and make it challenging to follow the storyline. Immersive experience. High-quality audio can create immersive experience for the audience. Techniques like surround sound and spatial audio can make viewers feel like they are part of the scene, adding depth and realism to the storytelling. Rhythm and pacing. Sound and music can set rhythm and pacing of the video. The tempo and dynamics of the audio can influence the viewer perception of time and help maintain their interest throughout the video.
Almost there.
Hold on.
My team's waiting for us at the end of the line. It's gonna be a rough landing, so hold on tight. Figure it out later, mate.
Enhancing visuals. Audio can complement and enhance what's seen on the screen. For example, adding sound of footsteps, rustling leaves, or a car engine can make scene feel more realistic and believable. Sound effects can draw attention to the specific visual elements or action.
Got shot.
What is it?
Characterization. The way characters sound, including the accent, tone, and inflections, can provide valuable information about their personality, background, and emotions. A skilled voiceover actor can bring a character to life and make them more relatable to the audience.
I wouldn't get excited though if I were you, Fish. You ain't sniffing none of PI.
Why's that?
Cause John Abruzzi runs it.
John Abruzzi, John Abruzzi.
John Abruzzi, John Abruzzi. Why you want to see Burroughs so bad anyhow?
Because he's my brother.
Branding and recognition. Audio can be used to establish unique brand identity for video production company or a particular show. Consistent music, jingles, or sound signature can make a production instantly recognizable. Silence as a tool. Silence is also essential aspects of audio in video production. Well-placed moments of silence can create tension, highlight important moments, and let viewers reflect on what they have seen or heard.
Yes!
Post-production magic. Mixing and mastering in post-production can correct and enhance audio quality, removing unwanted noises, and create a polished final product. The next video will be training on Fairlight audio production in DaVinci Resolve, and I will lay this out in a better view. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Watch this video next about Fairlight. I'll see you in the next video.